The essential project management principles you need to know. Project management is a critical discipline that plays a central role in the successful execution of endeavors, whether they are in the business, engineering, information technology, or numerous other fields. The principles of project management are as follows. Project initiation. Project initiation is the first and arguably one of the most crucial phases in the project management process. It's during this phase that the project is defined, its feasibility is assessed, and the initial groundwork is laid for the successful execution of the project. Project planning. Project planning is a critical phase in the project management process, following project initiation. Effective project planning is essential for setting clear objectives, allocating resources efficiently, and ensuring that the project stays on track. Risk management. Risk management is a fundamental component of project management, dedicated to identifying, assessing, mitigating, and monitoring potential risks and uncertainties that could impact a project's success. Project communication. Effective project communication is a critical component of project management, ensuring that information is shared, stakeholders are engaged, and the project progresses smoothly. Good communication helps in managing expectations, resolving issues, and ultimately achieving project objectives. Project execution. The project execution phase is where the project plan is put into action. It involves carrying out the project activities, coordinating resources, and monitoring and controlling to ensure that the project is executed according to the plan. Quality management. Quality management is a critical aspect of project management focused on ensuring that project deliverables and processes meet predefined standards and that the project satisfies stakeholder expectations. Cost management. Cost management in project management involves planning, budgeting, monitoring, and controlling project costs to ensure that the project stays within its allocated budget. Effective cost management is essential for project success and delivering value to stakeholders. Time management. Time management in project management involves planning, scheduling, monitoring, and controlling project activities to ensure that the project is completed within the defined time frame. Effective time management is crucial for delivering projects on time and meeting stakeholder expectations. Scope management. Scope management in project management is the process of defining, controlling, and validating the project's boundaries and deliverables. Effective scope management ensures that the project remains on track and that stakeholders' expectations are met. Project closure. Project closure is the final phase of the project management process and is critical for ensuring that the project is completed effectively and all project objectives are met. This phase involves wrapping up all project activities, evaluating project performance, and formally closing out the project. Conclusion. In conclusion, project management is a multifaceted discipline that involves a series of interconnected phases and principles aimed at achieving specific goals within a defined timeframe and budget. Incorporating these principles and phases effectively can significantly enhance the likelihood of project success.